Welcome to my apartment. It's Miranda and welcome to my channel. Come in.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want.
So basically, I just moved out of my parents' house and I moved into my new apartment, and I told you guys I was going to show you around. We have nothing major, but honestly, this is not my apartment. This is one of the chalets across Barman, NWR Resort, and it is beautiful. But if I were to have my own apartment, I guess this is how I would do the apartment tour. I'm not so sure, but yeah, I was just goofing around with my friend Panda. So thanks to Panda, shout out to her for the recording. So let's get back into the video. But you're coming into the doorway. So on your left side, I have we have a fridge here, and I have some cool wall deco, and there is this nice countertop. I like it because it's having like marble. It's kind of like a stone with, yeah. And then you come to your right side. This is my living space area. I like it because Panda likes it a lot. I mean, look at her. The other girl is outside. Anna is outside. They just threw their bags all over. Yeah. So basically, we have 2 bedrooms, and each bedroom has its own bathroom, shower, and toilet. So this side is actually my guest room. When you come this side, outside that's a patio, but I will go there. This is the guest room. It has 2 beds. I have 2 kids, mind you. So we have 2 beds. When my kids are not here, they're in my room. And there's a cupboard which has a lot of storage in it. And there's a bobby pin. I don't know who left the bobby pin in a very brand new house. And there's a bench here. So this is nice for kids to sit on when they're getting dressed. And one feature I like about this is that it has the light switch on the wall, and you actually need a card to activate it. So that's the best part. Don't even try to come and hack into my house nighttime. I'm telling you, you'll go back empty-handed. There's a door slide here where you can go back yard at the patio, which is really nice, but I always lock it up because kids can be kids. And then you come in here, there is a bathroom, and there's Panda. Hi, my videographer, and she's eating sugar. Why are you eating sugar? I like the features of this sink. The sink is really nice, and down here there is a little bit of storage where you can put some of your detergents for the room or some cleaning appliances. And we have the shower, and it's quite spacious. There's a towel hanger. How nice. There's a towel hanger in the shower, and the toilet is here. And it comes with, just imagine how nice that is. But there's also a toilet roll holder, and then there's another one here, and then there's also a towel holder. And if you want to straighten your hair or blow your hair, you don't have to worry. I got you covered. And one thing about it is that the privacy.
It's locked.
My kids almost got stuck in here, but Panda rescued them. And then, as I said, the lights are still on. Oh, and we have an aircon, so which is really good because it makes this sound of like the waterfall sound. It really helps the kids sleep, and I love it too. I like sleeping in an aircon. There is no day you'll find me sleeping without a fan on. Don't mind this, we are cleaning. Got an aircon in there. And then if you come this side, we are going to my room. I got my dustbin here. It's clean. Again, Panda helped me out. So all credit goes to Panda. And then this is my bedroom. Just look at how nice it is. How great decorated it is. I also have a back door that I can open if I want to go sit outside. I have my tap outside there. And I have a beautiful view, guys. Mind you, this view is the one that made me say yes to this apartment. So I have my telephone there. This is just for room service. So basically all the complexes have telephone just in case you need services from the restaurant, because we have a restaurant here. I live in luxury. I have my cupboard and I have my safe. I did not put anything valuable there yet. I don't have anything valuable except my phone that Panda is using. And then this is my shower. One thing that stood out for me is
the bathtub.
This is so nice. On the floor.
And then there's an outside shower also.
This is an outside shower.
And then there's an inside shower.
Inside shower. And I have 2 sinks. And the mirror is very big, so this is for Panda and this is me because I'm single. Obviously, Panda is the only guest that will be coming at my house.
Ah, lol, and that's a toilet pot.
And this is a toilet pot. Bro, I'll be shitting in here like every day. Like every day. If you want to go outside, the door is here. You just open. Ah, and I forgot my container outside. See? It has been modeling out here.
Lol. No, don't.
Okay, so yes guys, I'll be like my room tour, my house, my apartment tour, fully finished in that matter. See you in Panda's next video. Toots.